Hello, fellow dog heroes. Dr. Finn here. There's so much information out there. What do you do? What do you feed your dog? What supplements are correct? There's so many products out there and the marketing is just staggering. And you can't even ask a veterinarian. Veterinary medicine is in a crisis. There is just not enough veterinarians to serve the number of amazing dog owners like yourself. I've been a vet for over 30 years. And this breaks my heart. There's not these long conversations that you used to have with your veterinarian where he or she got to know you and your pet. People are finding that there's just not time or opportunity for that. I created the Whole Dog Health membership. Wanted to create a membership that would not put financial stress or strain on anybody. In this membership, you have access to me every single week. Every single week, we have a live virtual meetup where you can ask me questions, and then I talk about some really useful subjects and lots of DIY stuff so that you can help your dog yourself and that you're not left in the dark. You are the ones that are with your dogs every day, and I believe that you can learn to do lots of things for them. That's what the Whole Dog Health membership is here for.